Hello students, this is Suresh, Maths paper 1, Logarithms. Today we recap the laws of logarithms. First one, log xy for base a equals to log x base a plus log y base a. See here first one. First law, log xy base a equals to log xa plus log y base a. Next one, log x by y equals to log x for base a minus log y for base a. Here x by y there, so here comes in between log x log y minus will come. So next, log x power m for base a equals to m into log x for base a. Here power m is there, becomes to beginning m log x for base a. Next one, log 1 equals to 0. Always log 1 equals to for any base. Log 1 equals to 0. Next, log a power log n for base a equals to n. Here a and here a is a power log n base a equals to n. Here this left side is exponential form base a, and here in logarithm form also base a. So the result will become n, that number. So next one, log a for base a equals to 1. See log, for example, log 2 base 2 equals to 1, log 3 base 3 equals to 1, log 5 base 5 equals to 1, log x for base x equals to 1. So here base and number is same, that's why result become 1. So next one, seventh, log n base a power m equals to 1 by m log n base a. This in the base log n a power m, base is a power m, so that m becomes the denominator, so 1 by m log n base a. Now we discuss exercise 1.5. So we go to exercise 1.5 now. So in exercise 1.5, the first bit determine the values of the following questions. So first question log 5 base 25. This is question log 5 base 25. So that log 5 base 25 we can write as log 5 base 5 power 2. The 25 becomes a 5 power 2. According to this formula, we can write 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. This here this 2, this 5 power 2, the power 2 there, so the 2 becomes a denominator, so 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. This log 5 base 5 becomes 1. Why? Because log a in the according to log a base a equals to 1, that according to that formula log 5 base 5 equals to 1. So remaining part 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5 equals 1, that's why 1 by 2 into 1. So the result become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 equals to 1 by 2. Next problem, log 3 for base 81. So this is question log 3 base 81. We can write like the, log 3 81. We can write log 3 base 3 to the power of 4. This 81 becomes here 3 power 4. This 3 power 4, this power 4 becomes here 1 by 4. So according to this formula, 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. So according to log a base a equals to 1, that's why log 3 base 3 also becomes here 1. So remaining 1 by 4 into this one becomes 1. So 1 by 4 into 1 equals to 1 by 4. This is the uh, value for log 3 base 81. So again we can repeat here, log 3 base 81, we can write log 3 base 3 power 4, that 81 becomes 3 to the power of 4, that 4 power in the base 3 power 4, 4 is becomes 1 by 4 according to formula. So 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3 equals to, in the next step, 1 by 4 into 1 here, we can write from this log 3 base 3, here written 1, so 1 by 4 into 1 equals to 1 by 4. This is the solution for second question. Next, third question here. So this is third question. So log 1 by 16 to the base 2, so log 1 by 16 to the base 2, so we can write this 1 by 16, we can write as 1 2 to the power of, sorry, 1 by 2 to the power of 4. This 1 by 16 we can write as 2 to the power of 4. So in the next step, this 1 by 2 to the power of 4, so remaining same, log 2 log 1 by 2 to the power of 4 to the base 2 becomes log 2 to the power of minus 4. So 1 by 2 to the 1 by 2 the power 1 by 2 to the power of 4 becomes 2 to the power of uh, minus 4. So log 1 by 2 to the power of 4 for base 2 equals to log 2 to the power of minus 4 for base 2. Next, the next step, see here, the 2 to the power of minus 4, they see that power minus 4 becomes to front according to this formula. Which formula? This formula, log a power m equals to m into log a. According to this formula we can write minus 4 log 2 base 2 here. This minus 4 becomes to front. In the beginning of log we written minus 4 log 2 base 2. That means minus 4 into, so here minus 4 into log 2 base 2. So wait, so here this minus 4 becomes to front, so log 2 base 2 here. Here log 2 base 2 equals to 1, so equals to minus 4 will come. Here written wrong, the answer is written wrong, so 1 here written, but minus 4 is the answer. So now we go to next question number 4. So question number 4 here, log 1 for base 7. The question is log 1 base 7. So here log 1 equals to always 0. Already we learned in the laws of logarithm, log 1 always equals to 0. The value of log 1 to any base equals to 0. Direct answer, log 1, whenever see log 1 equals to, the value is log 1 is 0. Next question, fifth question. Now the fifth question, see, log root x, this one, log root x for base x equals to what? The value we have to find. Now for this we can write this log root x, we can write as log to the power of log x to the power of 1 by 2 for base x. The root x becomes, we can write x to the power of 1 by 2. Next, this 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 there, that is that 1 by 2 becomes come to front, so 1 by 2 log x base x, 1 by 2 in the right in begin. Next what remains next? Log x base x, that 1 by 2 becomes to front. So according to formula, which formula? Log x power m equals to m into log x base x equals to, according to that formula, we can write 1 by 2 log x base x. So here log x base x, this log x base x we can write as 1 here. So 1 by 2 into 1 equals to 1 by 2. This is answer. So this is answer 1 by 2. Here log x base x here becomes 1. So remaining 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 equals to 1 by 2 is the answer for log root x per base x. Next question. Log 512 for base 2. This is question. Log 512 so log 512 for base 2 we can write as log that 512 we can write 2 to the power of 9. So here same base 2. So next step, log this according to that formula, which formula? Log a power m equals to m into log a. So according to that formula, that power n, this power n becomes here. So 9 into here remains what? Log 2 base 2. 9 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 equals to, this is 1. So 9 into 1 equals to, here 9 will come. So this is which question? Sixth question. So again I repeat, log 512 we can write 2 to the power of 9, log 2 to the power of 9. So that 9 power 9 it becomes 2 front. So 9 log 2 base 2. 9 into 1. Why 1 here? Log 2 base 2 equals to 1. So result becomes 9. So next question, sixth. Now seventh question. So this is now question. Log 0.01 for base 10. So now we can write 0.01, we can write 1 by 100. So here after decimal point 2 digits there, so that's why 1 by 100 came. So now next step, that 1 by 100 we can write 1 by 2 to the power of 2. In the next step, that logs become here follow same. Log 10. So log this 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power 2 to the 10 to the power of 2 becomes here in the next step to 10 to the power of minus 2. So in the next step, log a power m equals to m into log a. What? So here 2 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 2. So this in the next step, this minus 2 becomes here front. So minus 2 into here what remains? Here 10. So here log 10 and base 10. So this log 10 base 10 becomes equals to 1. So minus 2 into 1 equals to minus 2 is the answer. Once again repeat, log question is log 0.01 for base 10. This is the question. Now we finding solution. Say log 0.01 we can write 1 by 100. So the next step, that 1 by 100 becomes 1 by 10 to the power of 2. So and the next step, 1 by 10 to the power of 2 we can write as 10 to the power of minus 2. So again next according to log a power m equals to m into log a. So here here 10 to the power of minus 2, that minus 2 in the place of m, what is then minus 2, so minus 2 becomes front. So minus 2 into what remains here, so 10 10 there, so log 10 base 10, we know log 10 base 10 equals to 1. So minus 2 is there here, minus 2 into 1 equals to minus 2. So this is the value for log 0.01 for base 10 equals to minus 2. In the next question, say next log 8 by 27, log 8 by 27 for the base 2 by 3. So question is here, question is this log 8 by 27 for the base 2 by 3. So 8 by 27 we can write as 2 cube by 3 cube. 8 has become 2 cube and 27 become as 3 cube. We can write we have one exponential formula, a power m by b power m equals to a by b whole to the power of m. According to that formula we can write 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3. So next, so here this is formula, a power m by b power m equals to a by b whole to the power of m. According to this formula we write this one. So next the next step, this 3 becomes here. So 3 according to which formula, log a power m equals to m into log a. According to that we can write 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So next in the next step, 3 into this log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 becomes 1. So in the first 3 into in this log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 becomes 1. So 3 into 1 equals to here answer 3. So once again I repeat it. So question is log 3 8 by 27 for base 2 by 3. So we write a solution like this, that 8 by 27 we can write 2 to the power of 3 by 3 power 3. So according to this formula we can write 3 into log this you can write log 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 according to this formula. So next step, so 3 into next step 3 into log 2 by 3 for base 2 by 3. 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 becomes 1. So 3 into 1 equals to 3. This is answer. So the value for log 8 by 27 for base 2 by 3 equals to 3. So next problem, so 8 over next 9th question here, say 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is question. So now we can write this first step, see this 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 we can write as this 2 to the power of 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. How can this is a power m into a power n equals to a power m base n formula. According to that formula we can write 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. So next in the next step, this 2 to the power of 2 we can write as 4. Next into 2 power log 3 base 2 equals to, according to this formula, a power log n base a equals to n. So here bases are same, so n is number, so result becomes that n in the place of n 3 there. So in the next step 2 square becomes 4 into 2 log 3 base 2 power log 3 base 2, here becomes 3, result becomes 3. Here bases are same, 2 to same, so here 3 is the answer. So 4 into 3 equals to 12, 4 3 ja 12 is the answer. This is exercise 1.5, first bit over. Tomorrow in the next class we do second bit. Okay, thank you.